it has a medium knocking property. Okay, so hope it is clear. Now we'll go for what are anti-knocking agents. Anti-knocking agents are the chemicals or the substance, chemical compounds which are added to the gasoline mixture. Which are mixed with the fuel to reduce knocking. To reduce knocking. Okay. So you may be knowing this. So already you have studied in PUC. So some of the best anti-knocking agent is TEL, that is tetraethyl lead. So tetraethyl lead or tetramethyl lead, mixed methyl ethyl lead, tetraethyl lead, tetramethyl lead, or mixture of ethyl and methyl lead. So these are good anti-knocking agents. So usually these are mixed with the gasoline mixture to reduce knocking. Now when we are using this tetraethyl lead, it is observed that because of this anti-knocking agent, the combustion of the gasoline, the whatever gases were coming out, they were containing lead and its oxide, PbO. So because of which these species, when that mixture, gasoline mixture containing anti-knocking agent TEL undergo combustion, it produces lead and its oxide as one of the byproducts. And this lead and lead oxide, these species, they act as a free radical chain inhibitor and they undergo further reaction. Okay, and because of which they minimize knocking. But this lead and lead oxide, they get deposited on the engine and they cause mechanical damage. So use of TEL in gasoline mixture, it obviously it will reduce the knocking, but because of this use, this tetraethyl lead will undergo decomposition and they produce lead and lead oxide. So this lead and lead oxide will start undergoing deposition on the engine parts and they damage the engine. So in order to minimize this damage, so tetraethyl lead is always used along with ethylene dibromide or ethylene chloride. Okay, so always tetraethyl lead is always used along with ethylene dibromide and ethylene chloride, because the function of these halogen compounds, they convert the less volatile lead, because it will be in a particulate form. So less volatile lead and lead oxide into more volatile lead bromide and lead chloride. So this lead bromide and lead chloride, they can easily get escape out into air through the exhaust gases. Okay, so why always tetraethyl lead is mixed with ethylene dibromide and dichloride? Because if tetraethyl lead is used again in alone in the gasoline mixture, so during the combustion, so this tetraethyl lead will produce lead and lead oxide. So these lead and lead oxide are in the form of a particulate. They are not volatile, they are not gases. So these will start undergoing depositing to the engine and they'll spoil the engine. And also this lead particulate, so when they come out, they spoil the catalytic chamber also, and they are very harmful for human health. So because of which along with the tetraethyl lead, so this tetraethyl lead is along with ethylene dibromide or dichloride it is used, because when you are using ethylene dibromide or dichloride along with the TEL, so this lead and lead oxide will easily get converted to their highly volatile, means gaseous form of lead bromide and lead chloride. This lead bromide and lead chloride will be in the form of a gases. So now these easily they can escape out from the engine. Okay. So now we'll go for next, that is in the next point here is unleaded petrol. So what is unleaded petrol? You might have seen this in many petrol bunk. So they'll be sticking this poster that unleaded petrol. So this unleaded petrol, we know that lead, tetraethyl lead, it causes so many problems. So because of which nowadays the use of TEL as an anti-knocking agent has been banned. So in place of tetraethyl lead, we are using some other compounds as anti-knocking agents. So usually MTBE, that is methyl tertiary butyl ether, or ethyl tertiary butyl ether. So these are the compounds, or methanol, ethanol, whose octane number is, or octane rating is very high. They are added to the petrol in place of TEL. So that gasoline mixture which does not have TEL as an anti-knocking agent, and in place of TEL we are using another compounds like MTBE, ETBE as anti-knocking agents. So that petrol is called as unleaded petrol. So these can be asked for 2 marks. So what is knocking? What is the mechanism of knocking? So what is anti-knocking agent? So what is unleaded petrol? So you remember this definition and the examples. Okay. So thank you. If you have any doubts or if you want any more clarification, you can just put me a WhatsApp doubts on my WhatsApp number, or you can just give me a call. Okay. Take care of your health. Thank you.